This is the lecture for one of Chadha's eliminating selves and persons. The only topic here is a topic that came up in the last lecture because it also comes up in both articles. So here in this article again, we kind of get a reiteration sort of the debate between Wolff and Parfit on sort of whether metaphysical truths should decide how we think about persons or whether this should depend on sort of like what is good for us or pragmatic concerns or something like this. And then, as you'll see, she's arguing that the Buddhist approach, which is sort of like the Parfit approach, ends up the Buddhist approach, which ends up agreeing with Parfit or agreeing with basically Parfit, is driven by maybe the latter sort of thing, what's good for us, which was the Wolff view rather than the Parfit view. So that, I don't know, that's maybe interesting to keep your eye on when you read.